Hi everyone, welcome to Bengaluru Dream Homes. So today let me take you through a brand new independent house with rental income property. So there's 30 feet road in front of the house, as you can observe in the video, which is a dead end road. So this is a gated property. Also there's two houses for sale, as you can see in the video. So the property that I'm going to show you today is this property. So talking about the side dimension, so this property is a 22.5 by 40.5 by side dimension, total 912 square feet. So side facing is west and all main doors facing are north. So ground plus one floor construction has been done. So for the front elevation of the house, front elevation has been done in the most elegant and decent way, as you can observe in the video. So this is the second house which is for sale, and this is the first house that I'm gonna show you briefly. So for the main gate, 16 mm iron has been used. So let me take you inside to show you a brief look of the property. So this is the parking area. So false ceiling has been done for the roof in the parking area. 2x4 tiles has been used for the walls. So up to 2 feet of space has been left around the house for ventilation purpose. So below the staircase, gas provisions has been provided. So safety grills for individual houses. So meter boards, individual meters will be provided for individual houses. So borewell plus water sump plus CMC connections, all three are available to the house. So sump is 15,000 liters capacity. So in the ground floor there's 1 BHK house. So let me take you inside to show you how the house looks like. So main doors facing is north for the house, and for the main doors and windows, T-code has been used. So for the flooring, granite flooring has been done for the entire building. So as you enter, this is the 1 BHK house of the ground floor. So that's the living room with TV point, and a puja room also has been done. So 6x6 windows has been provided with false ceiling on the roof. So this is the puja room, a small puja room. So salwood has been used for the doors. So this is the open modular kitchen with a space left for the fridge. There's cabinets provided above and below with wash basin, sinks, slabs, drawers. A window also has been provided for ventilation purpose. This is the room, the first room, the 1 BHK master bedroom. So quite spacious. So the room size is 11 by 13, quite spacious. So the room has again false ceilings, sliding doors with attached washroom, and cabinets provided above with attached washroom. So 2x4 tiles has been used for the walls of the washroom, and for the fittings, Jaguar fittings has been used, with a window also has been provided. So this is pretty much of what the 1 BHK house of the ground floor looks like. Moving on to the first floor. For the staircase, 3 feet of space has been left between the steps, and anti-secrete granite has been used for the flooring, and also SS railings has been used for the railings too. So this is the first floor 2 BHK house. So 2x4 tiles has been used up to the roof for the walls at the entrance. So main door facing is north, and for the main doors and windows teak wood has been used. With good quality polish will also be used. So as you enter, that's the hall, quite spacious and huge. So there's TV point, there's false ceiling made of POP and LED lights, there's puja room as well. So for the TV point and puja room, red salwood has been used, and 5x6 windows also has been provided. So this is another view of the living room, as you can see. So this is the puja room. Again, red salwood has been used for the making of doors. And puja room has been constructed in a unique way too. So this is the master bedroom, which is the size of the room is 11 by 13. So the room is quite spacious. So master bedroom has attached balcony to it as well. So SS railings will be done here for the safety purpose too. So 2x4 tiles has been used for the walls in the balcony. So there's sliding doors with attached dressing table with cabinets provided above, and also master bedroom also has attached washroom. So 2x4 tiles has been used for the walls, and for the washroom fittings, Jaguar fittings will be fitted. So this is the master bedroom of the 2 BHK house of the first floor. This is the common room, also known as the kids room as well. So there's false ceilings on the roof with a window has been provided, with sliding doors with attached dressing table and also cabinets provided above. And ready-made doors has been used for the doors for the rooms. This is the common washroom. So again, 2x4 tiles has been used for the walls, and Jaguar fittings will be fitted soon. This is the open modular kitchen with cabinets provided above and below, drawers, slabs, wash basin, sinks. A window also has been provided with a small space given for fridge too with a point. So this is pretty much of what the 2 BHK house of the first floor looks like. Moving on to the terrace. So the property where it's located is quite developed. Around even the surroundings are also quite developed. So this property is a e-Khata property. DC conversion has been done. So one Syntex tank will be provided worth 2000 liters each. So this property is located in Maratundanahalli near in KR-Puram near Gate City College, Bangalore. 560036 is the pin code. Price of this property is 1 crore, slightly negotiable. Up to 70 to 75% of the bank loans will be available, and schools, colleges and other amenities are quite nearby to the location too. So yeah, thank you.